Nilisikia jana viongozi wengine hapo wakijaribu kuambia kanisa ati wasizungumze mambo ya rege. Mimi nataka niwaambie viongozi wenzangu, Kenya hii si ya wanasiasa peke yao. Kenya si ya viongozi peke yao. Kenya ni ya Wakenya wote, na tusijaribu kushurutisha mahakama wakiamua vile wameamua, ama tushurutishe kanisa wakichukua msimamo. The church is the voice of God. We must respect the church. The church have taken a position to advise us in the political leadership. We should respect the opinion and the advice of our spiritual leaders. The courts have spoken, the church has spoken, the political leaders, we should and we must listen. We may not agree with what the courts have said. In the past, the courts have said or ruled against us. We have criticized, we have complained, but we have complied. We can have an opinion, but ultimately, for us to be a democracy and a progressive country, we must be a country that respects the Constitution, the rule of law, and all the institutions set up by the Constitution.